Disgruntlement as Tungwarara orders pastors 4 ED to open bank account for presidential funds. The 20th of August 2025. By correspondent. Tension briefly gripped the Masvingo agricultural showgrounds after members of the pastors 4 ED expressed displeasure at being singled out to open a bank account before accessing their share of the Presidential Empowerment Revolving Fund. The incident occurred on August 5th during cash disbursements overseen by Presidential Advisor on Investments, Paul Tungwarara, while 5 other ZANU PF affiliates received their allocations in cash, each amounting to $20,000. Pastors 4 ED members were instructed to provide bank details so that their funds could be deposited. The announcement was met with murmurs and visible discontent, with some pastors, 4 ED leaders, questioning why their treatment differed from that of other affiliates. As other groups celebrated their handouts by chanting, "Chibaba Chibaba Iko," the pastors reacted with disappointment and frustration. Attempting to defuse the situation, Tungwarara told the gathering that he was only conveying instructions. "You may as well ask His Excellency the reason behind the instruction for your funds to be deposited into a bank account," he said. Reading from the president's message, Tungwarara reminded the pastors of the fund's broader purpose. "This is not tithe money from the president, but a fund to empower you and change your living standards. Musadikana Kukanga, this is seed capital. You are expected to build businesses, uplift your families and communities, and repay so that others can benefit year after year," he explained. Despite the clarification, the change in protocol left many pastors 4 ED members unsettled, casting a shadow over an event that was otherwise celebratory for the other affiliates.